Hey, what's up YouTube? This is 975 Billy, and today me doing a sound comparison between the Apevia X-Plorer and the Thermaltake Level 10 GT Snow Edition. The Snow Edition has two 200mm fans and a 140 in the back. This one right here, I have a 120 in the back and the 120 on the power supply, and the 80mm on the heatsink, and I have 80 put in the front and 80 on top. So I'm getting decent airflow but not good cable management because this case does not have the little grommets in the back for cable management. But I better stop talking so I can do a sound test and actually see how quiet this one is. My teacher up at my BOCES class, she said she never heard a computer this quiet in her life, which I don't know if that's good or bad, but this is the Thermaltake Level 10 GT Snow Edition that I have gotten. It's on the low setting for the fan, so I'm doing the sound test. I don't know how well you can hear it. There's a 200 in the front, right there, 200 on the side, and a 200 on the top. And some Turtle Beach X-12s, Jared Pullen's I Shoot Raw, hot swap drives. I don't have it unlocked right now. I pretty much love this case. That's pretty much it for this video. I'll just stop talking so you can hear it. I'll put it on high. It's high, it sounds like when you boot up your computer. You see the 200 on top. You can change the color too. There is a 140 in the back that is just black as well, if you can see it. Yeah, you should be able to. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, comment, and rate for more.